Hello, good morning, students. Today we will summarize the chapter number 9 of Civics NCERT book. And the heading of the chapter is Public Facilities. Public facilities are the facilities provided to the people by the government. They are important to sustain and lead a comfortable life. We will see the case history of Chennai. Amu and Kumar are traveling through Chennai in a bus. As they go around the city, they observe the water facilities available in different parts in a different way of Chennai. These are the pictures which are shown in your NCERT book, which depicted that water supply in Chennai is different in different areas. Water and the people of Chennai. Mr. Ram Gopal lives in Anna Nagar. This area looks lush and green with lawns maintained by generous spring of water. Likewise, in an apartment where Mr. Subramaniam lives, water supply is inadequate. They have to spend rupees 500 or 600 per month to buy water. Shiva lives in Madipakam, Chennai. She gets water once in 4 days. For drinking, she buys bottled water. Water as a public utility is available in different quantity in to different people. Safe drinking water. Safe drinking water comes under the fundamental right of an individual, and it is the responsibility of the government to avail it to its citizen. All these four cases, through pictures we know that water is unequally distributed in different part of the Chennai. Now water as part of fundamental rights to life. As you all know that water is very essential for life and go for health. Without good water, safe drinking water, we cannot imagine life as well as good health. India has one of the largest number of cause of water related disease such as diarrhea, dysentery, cholera. More than 1600 Indians, mostly children below the age of 5 years, die every day because of water related disease. The Constitution of India recognizes the right to water as being a part of the right to life under Article 24. That means there should be universal access to water. The High Courts and the Supreme Court have held that right to safe drinking water is a fundamental right of Indian citizens. Verdicts given by courts make it as the responsibility of the government to ensure the supply of fresh, safe drinking water. What are public facilities? These are actually the facilities which are provided by the government to its people, such as electricity, public transport, schools, colleges, etc. And these are necessary for survival. Public facilities are provided so that its benefit can be shared by many people. This is the responsibility of the government to make public facilities available to every individual, and no one should be discriminated just on the basis of social or economic division. So how government ensure these public facilities? Here the role of the government is very important. The government functions in such a way that it could ensure that these public facilities are made available to everyone. It can make provision of for education and setting up schools and colleges, improving health and sanitation facilities, ensuring equal distribution of food throughout the country, improving the means of transport and communication, maintenance of public utility works like post office, railways, roadways, etc. The main source of revenue for the government is taxes. When the taxes are collected from the people, then the government empowered these collected tax and use them for such programs which give some benefit to the people. For instance, to supply fresh drinking water, the government has to incur cost in pumping water, carrying it over long distances, laying out pipes for its distribution, treating the water for impurities, and finally collecting and treating wastewater. It meets expenses partly from the various taxes which are paid by us. One of the most important tasks of the government is to ensure the availability of resources to everyone. By making the administration strict and effective, the government can implement these schemes for the unprivileged people. The government, by utilizing the revenue collected in the better social schemes and using the resources in better manner, so that it can ensure the well-being to maximum of its population. That's all in this video.